All right, let's go ahead and do our room tour in Universal Loews Portofino. We are in the pet section, room 1168. So let's go ahead and open up the door and check out what our room looks like. Oh, right off the bat, we got a coffee area. Beautiful mirror. Usual evacuation situation here. Nice. Let's see what we've got. Safe. Blow dryer. Nice spacious closet in there. Some laundry bags. This is a great space for a closet. Let's turn on the lights here. The commode. Nice toilet art. Double vanity sink. Nice large mirror. We've got some toiletries from Julianne Farrell. Nice. Some space underneath. Usual makeup mirror. Let's take a look at bathtub. Nice low level to bathe the kiddos. Looks like this is an ADA room because we've got those extra features built in. So this bathroom might be a little bit larger than what you would normally get because it is ADA, along with the little look hole here. You've got one here, you've got one here. All right, we're going from tile to nice comfy carpet. Check out this room. It is huge. King size bed. Little sectional there. An ottoman. We've got some outlets. I believe you can put your phone here to charge it. I'm not sure. But we did do that in the previous Loews resort. Oh, these are big drawers. And we've got our fridge. Nice little desk over there. More art. More outlets. Got some information. Got some recycle and waste basket. Loving this little ottoman here. So each nightstand looks like it's got outlets, but I don't see any USB ports. So just keep that in mind. You may need to bring an adapter. This room has a very high ceiling. It is gorgeous. And we are on the first floor because we're in the pet section, which is usually the first or second floor. We've got a little terrace, and we're facing the bay area so we can see the water taxi over there. What a great view. Got a terrace lock here. That's pretty easy. Oh, this is great. I was actually saying, imagine having one of these and you can step out and look at the view. Oh, this is great. And these are our neighbors. Oh, we're definitely gonna sit out here in the afternoon. All right, this is, you gotta be careful here. It has a little high step. So if you're not looking, you might do a little double take there. Very cool. I really like this setting. I wonder if that's a sleeper sofa. Yep, it is. Oh, this is great. So you can actually sleep some extra people. I mean, this is big enough, I think, for maybe 2 children or 1 large adult. But this is what it looks like. Tune in to more videos of our staycation, 24 hours in Universal Portofino. And as always, I don't have an outro, and that is my outro.